Dehydration. Headaches are a sign that you're dehydrated. If a person goes to bed thirsty or does not drink enough the previous day, they may become mildly dehydrated overnight. This could cause them to wake up with a headache. Thirst, a dry mouth or lips are other signs of dehydration. Feeling dizzy or lightheaded as a result of dark yellow urine. Treatment. A person can try taking a bottle of water to work and keeping fresh water next to their bed to drink during the night if they are staying up all night. Alcohol and drugs. Alcohol consumption can cause a person to feel tired, nauseous, thirsty, and tired the next day. They may also experience an upset stomach, sweating, irritability, or sensitivity to light. Treatment. It says it's important to stay hydrated and rest until the effects of alcohol wear off, and avoid overindulging in alcohol. Anxiety and depression. Physical symptoms, such as headaches, can occur as a result of both depression and anxiety. They can also cause sleep disturbances, which can increase the likelihood of morning headaches. Depression can cause, in addition to headaches, the following symptoms: feelings of emptiness, numbness, or sadness that persist. Exhaustion. Anxiety can lead to frequent worrying, restlessness. Treatment. Typically, talk therapy is used to treat depression or anxiety. People may also want to try antidepressant medications as well as coping strategies such as listening to relaxation music, guided meditation, exercises, having enough rest and sleep. What other treatments do you think can help someone who wakes up with a headache? Leave a comment.